Good morning, my dear students. So, children, how are you? Are you all good? Yes. So, today it is a new day. Who gave us this day? It is God who has shown us this day. So, we must always be thankful to God for all His blessing and for this new life, new day. Okay, now, children, we all were in lesson number 2. You know, na children, who am I? Mrs. Charan. Again, I am reminding you, teaching you moral science. And in moral science, we were doing lesson number 2, honest Jia. So we have seen till both Jia and Sia, both they were playing with ball, okay, inside the house, and they broke the jar. Now mother is angry. So what was the result of disobedience? Mother was angry, plus she said that she punishes them by telling that they will not get the dinner that night. She then rushed out of the room, and in anger she goes out of that room. So now today we will going to start it from here. Okay, so all of you take out page number 9 with me. So let's start. Jia and Sia sat down. They thought that they should have obeyed the mother. Now what happened? Both of them, they are sitting and they are realizing their mistake. Okay, what they are saying, that they should have obeyed the mother. Jia thought to herself, it is my fault. Why should Sia get punished? So see, Jia, what she's saying, she's thinking that it was her mistake. So why should Sia get punishment? I will go to mother now and tell her the truth. So now Jia, she's thinking that she will go to mother and she will tell her mother the truth. So Jia went outside where her mother was collecting broken pieces of cookie jar. She said to her mother, I'm sorry, mother. It is me who threw the ball with the force. So, Jia, she accepted her mistake by telling her mother that, mother, it was me, not Sia. Okay, what I did, I threw the ball with the force, and Sia, she couldn't able to catch the ball, and it hit the cookie jar, and jar fell on the floor and broke. So she is saying that why should Sia be punished? So she says sorry to her mother. Okay, now take out page 10. It hit the cookie jar. What hit the cookie jar? Ball. But please do not punish Sia. Give her the dinner. She is not at fault. So she is saying, Jia is saying that it was not Sia's fault. Don't punish Sia in place of me, in place of Jia. So she is saying that you give dinner to Sia. Jia's mother was silent for a while. Meanwhile, Sia also came to outside. So it was Jia alone who went to her mother. Okay, and later on, who comes outside? Sia also come outside. Mother said, I'm happy, Jia, that you told the truth and admitted your mistake. Now mother is happy. Why? Because Jia got the courage to speak the truth. And why mother is happy? Because she accepted her mistake and told the truth to her mother. So mother says, I'm happy. It is always good to tell the truth. Isn't it, children? We should not tell lies. We should always speak the truth. She further said, now both of you will get dinner, and after that I will give you an ice cream. Ice cream each. So now mother is happy. She forgives both of them, and she says that now both of them can get the dinner, and both of them will get an ice cream also. Both Jia and Sia were very happy. Jia had got the reward for her honesty. So who got the reward for her honesty? It was Jia. And what honesty? She told the truth to her mother. So children, we should also speak truth. Okay, we should have the courage of speaking truth. We should not think of the consequences, that what will happen. Okay, if I will speak the truth, I'll be punished. And so we should have the courage of speaking truth like Jia. And then later on, Jia, she got the reward for her honesty. And the reward, they've got the dinner and ice cream. So now children, what is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is honesty is the best policy. Let us remember, being honest means being truthful. So what is honest? To be truthful. An honest person does not lie. A person who is honest will never lie, cheat, or take things that belongs to others. Okay, that person, honest person, will not cheat others and will not take the things that belongs to them. An honest person always feel good, and if you're honest, if you're faithful in you, okay, you always feel good. So what we have to do, we have to be honest. So now children, here the lessons finishes, and then tomorrow we'll do the exercises. Until then, what you have to do, you have to go through the whole lesson. For your homework, read the lesson one more time. Okay, so now tomorrow again we all will meet. Till then, goodbye and take care.